In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tabs in a Confluence page. Whether you're a seasoned Confluence user or just starting out, organizing your content into tabs is a great way to streamline information and make your pages easy to navigate. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Atlassian website where all the tools for collaboration, IT, and business teams are housed. This is the starting point for accessing Confluence. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button. You should see it up at the top. Click on it and enter your credentials to get access to your Confluence workspace. Now, once you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken to your Confluence home. From this dashboard, you'll see various options and projects that you may have access to. But what we want to focus on today is creating a new page. So, look for the option labeled Page. Click on it, and this will allow you to start a new document within Confluence. After you've opened up a new page, you'll need to click on the Edit button. This button allows you to enter the editing mode where you can start customizing your content. You'll notice a toolbar will appear, giving you various options to format your page. Next, we're going to add some elements to our page. Look for the button labeled Insert Elements, which might be represented by a plus icon. This button is your gateway to all sorts of customizations. Once you click it, a menu should open up showing a variety of components you can add to your page. Now, what we want is to search for a specific element called Layout. Sometimes this might require you to type in Layout into a search bar. Once you've found it, select it, and this will allow you to choose different layout options for your page. For the purpose of organizing your content into tabs, we will use the column layout option. Selecting this layout will split your page into columns, which is great for creating visually distinct sections. You might have options for 2 or 3 columns. Choose the one that best fits how you want to organize your tabs. And there you have it. You've just set up the structure for your tabs within a Confluence page. You can now go ahead and start filling in each tab with the relevant content. This method not only helps in organizing information efficiently, but also provides an intuitive navigation experience for anyone viewing your page. Remember, a well-organized page is not just about aesthetics. It's about making information accessible and easy to digest. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!